This home is a great starter home. It reminds me of my first home. Located in Lagoon community where you get life at the lagoon, cable, and the fastest internet in the nation. One of my favorite features of this home is the incredible pond view. The other thing I really like about this property is that it's fully fenced on a pie-shaped lot right in the center of the suburban area in Wesley Chapel. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. Comment below if you want to find out more about this house or any house in Central Florida.